Sorry for the insanely fast-moving video. Ibispaint didn't want to cooperate. I was also supposed to post this yesterday, but I wasn't done with her. As you can see, I didn't give her her lollipop. After all, it's humongous compared to Gingerbrave's candy cane. I might start putting music on my videos if they start getting attention. She looks like a dog. I was planning to make her a golden retriever, but dogs tend to be more outgoing. Oh well. Anyway, tell me what you think in the comments. I'm working on chili pepper right now.